And there we go. This is what we picked up on the Nike outlet store today. So they're having some kind of promotion. Spend 100 and you'll get $25 coupon after a week, and then you can use that $25 to buy purchase something, and it will be deducted. I'm not sure where they're gonna redeem it. So the promotion is spend 100 and then you get $25 coupon, and then also spend 200 and then you'll get $50 coupon. So I need to spend 200 to get me the $50 coupon. Good for purchase the next probably next week or next month, but it will stays on the my account. So if I need to redeem it, it will just show up in the system. So let's move on to the unpacking of the Nike outlet. So we got here is the Nike Vapor Street Flyknit, and the retail on this one is $180. We got the colorway is deep royal black, college navy, and here you go. Check that out. Check that price right there. Ooh, we got $49.97 on this. Boom. Boom. It is very light and nice, soft, and is breathable, Flyknit, stretchable. Nice colorway though. It's some kind of something when you are wearing them. Probably gonna be another head turner. Well, this colorway deep royal college navy for the Flyknit, and kind of stretchable on the upper tongue. Nice pull tab, and some kind of pointed at the back. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it is a React. I'm not sure, but if soft, it feels like React though. And you can't go wrong with the price because it's $49.97 and its retail is $180. I believe these are included also additional 20%, if I'm not mistaken, because I got it from the hash wall, rooftop hash wall, so another discount on those, and another hash wall. Take them out, all of it from the plastic bag. So let's start with the another discount. We got Air Jordan Legacy 312. The retail on this one is $150, and check out the price. Check out the retail and check out how much we got them. $49.97 for the Jordan Legacy. Boom. There we go. All around the design is somewhat kind of the classic black cement, but it was like white cement or some kind of dirty white cement. That's the concept that they put all around. There we go. On the top, and nice leather. It's not shiny, but it's nice. Price, you can't go wrong on those, on $49.97 with the additional discount because it's on hash wall. Oh, take a look around. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Another nice Jordan that we got is the Air Jordan 13 Retro. Wow. Boom. Retail on this one is $200, and we got the Jordan 13 cup and gown. triple black. I would say this call is a Black Panther, if I'm mistaken. Please leave a comment down below. But I thought this was the cap and gown, but some says there is a Black Panther because it is a triple black. Nice midsole though, and also the outsole. And check out 200 and pick them up for 139 with additional discount because hash wall. Nice Jordan 13 with the cap and gown design with the shiny thing going on. Clean and nice and black. Also the leather, wow, it's very right here is very soft. Wow. If you touch it, it's like, I would say that they always some kind of buttery soft. Wow, it feels soft. It's so, I mean if you're touching this type of leather, it's really shiny and the gloss, and it feels like soft and soft to touch, and it feels like the same. This one is different kind, but it's soft. I mean, on hand and touching them, you can't believe it. They are put some a little bit more premium thing on this Air Jordan 13 though. But here we go. It's not bad for the Jordan 13 cap and gown. Boom. And now let's move along to the other and the last bag. We got the receipt right there. Okay. As you can see on the back, it is another Air Jordan shoes, and we got two of them, and there we go. So we got the Air Jordan 5 Laney JSP. So there we go. Boom. There we go. Nice colorway of blue something with it's a Varsity Royale, Varsity Maze, and that's it. And it says also Jordan 5 Laney. Nice color for, it's like, what the other team is that team? I'm not sure, but it has blue and yellow. The classic one of paddings all around is pretty much nice. Padding on the top, it's just the basic Air Jordan 5 Laney. Jordan 5 with the number 23, the Jumpman on the back, another Jumpman on the tongue. Also nice Jumpman on the sole. Nice icy blue with some yellow accent with this thing. I don't know what that, with also a speckle around and some breathable on this side. Yeah, it's gonna be breathable on that part. So feeling, if you're feeling it, it's like not much premium that they put it on. It's just the basic leather. Not much going on this one, but it is still good price when I bought them. So the retail on this one is 200 and the tag is 120. There you go, check that out. It says 120 and then additional discount because it is on the clearance. If I'm not mistaken, it is somewhat 20%, so not much. Usually they had it on 30%, so not bad at all for 20% for a Air Jordan. It was 120 additional 20% off, so not bad for the Jordans 2 hash walls. Lot of Jordans and hash wall today, so I hope you like what we picked up today. Nice one, good price, can't go wrong on those. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the unpacking. Today is not unboxing, today is unpacking from the outlet, what we pick up from the outlet store. And not bad, picking up a couple of Air Jordan. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope please leave a comment down below. What do you think? What do you think about this pickup? Please leave a comment down below. Like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you haven't, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. So that's about it for today. I'll see you later. Peace. So as you can see right here, the Air Jordan 5 Blaney says $139.99. Then the price match, the one on the tag is $120. So, and then I need additional 20% off. So it 20% off is 24. So it goes down to the final price is $95.99.